Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs. If you're not ready for that full build life yet, but you still want to get a different look for your F-150, this is the perfect way to go. This 2020 Ford F-150, Krietz Customs just got finished building. Now this one we went a different route and we added that 2-inch rough country leveling kit. So it does give a little bit more ground clearance for this F-150 to get that bigger wheel and tire package, just to get that more aggressive look and feel on this F-150. Now with a 2-inch kit, we can fit a 20 by 9-inch wheel with this is the Fuel Blitz, and this is the gloss black and mill finish. The offset on this wheel is a +1, so it is gonna stick out a little bit farther than what factory does. So definitely a more aggressive appeal to it than just what factory is. The tire is a Nitto Ridge Grappler, and the size on this is a 33/11/50/20. So again, this is that hybrid tire, a more aggressive style tire than what an all-terrain is, but less as noisy than what the mud tire is. So this is the perfect option between the two, and it's a nice aggressive appeal to this F-150. Now, if you guys like the look of this F-150 and you want to beef yours up just a tiny bit more than what factory is, you guys can click the link in the description below for more details.